Batisi TV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Rinkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakirdob Ying Jompi
Kalong ka jingjia ka bas ngosik thang ya ka Rilum Garo baro ka way. Haba laingut ki min sembreo kila do e yala ka jong ka jingim ha ka jing tua Khyndew ka bala tep im yaki. Kani kala jia ha ka steps ngi palay jong ka Khyndew tarik ubnai jilleo arajar arpu ar ha ka shnong ka bahab hapo ka Gambegre Community and Rural Development Block jong ka West Garo Hills. Kajing tua jong kani ka Khyndew ka day na kajing ter jong ulabba ubajur ubala ter baro shimit ha ka sngi balang jong ka pratarik ubnai jilleo arajar arpu ar. Ha ka jing tua Khyndew ha ka shnong jibal gre ka bahab hapo ka Gambegre block langut ki min sembreu ke la sha tep im ha ka Khyndew kini ki kintop ya ka kmi ka British marak u khon shinrang u almost marak bat ka khon kinthei ka ayan be marak. Kan ba ukpa jong kani ka longyeng u sengrek sangma bat u wei u khon jong u Tobias marak kila lat im na kani ka jingjia ka bas ngosi bat menta ki don hapadeng ka jingsha somar ha hospital hapadeng ka jingshitam ka bajur. Ha ka baya day bat kani ka jingjia u menteri rangba jong ka jilna Konrad sangma ule atho ba unsa Hiar Jurip Rilum Garo ha ka sni tho ding ka shipau tarik ubnai jilleo arhajar arpo ar. Shushu ule atho ba ula pentip ba ki bor Sanshar district kila pet ngor bha halor kani ka jingwan linshap jong ki bor ka Mariang.
You see, there are a lot of areas where when the rains come, a lot of villages get disconnected because there's a rise in the water level and children and farmers and others are not able to cross the river, and even if they have to, expect news for them. And Meghalaya being a place where the rains are very heavy, as you all know, we receive approximately 63 billion cubic meters of water, a year. It's a lot of water. Therefore, all of this flows into rivers and streams. So with that in mind, we realize that a lot of people go through a lot of challenges. So we have decided that we are now going to start working towards building, and many places have done it, but now it's going to be a mission mode, where we intend to saturate and ensure that connectivity to all these kind of villages where the people have to cross the river needs to be done. We need to saturate and get all of them access in whatever way possible by having suspension bridges or crossways, whatever connectivity that can be given, but that needs to be done. And for that, we have decided that we're going to move. We may not be able to complete all of them in 1 year, but we are hopeful that from a policy perspective, that in 5 years' time, this saturation must take place. And in order to move and get started on that, we've decided that at least anything between 50 to 100 locations will be taken out of the cities. The flood situation is quite serious, and the water levels are rising. The rain also is continuing there. Our administration, in fact, has been put full alert, and the deputy commissioners, especially in Southwest Garo and West Garo, they are continuously moving. Even in South Garo, they're continuously moving. I spoke to two of the deputy commissioners about 2 to 3 hours back, and they are right now in the field. As you know that there were 3 lives that were lost due to landslides, and the respective deputy commissioners have been instructed to release the ex gratia amount immediately, and at the same time to go and visit the different houses and different areas that have been affected. So we are, as a government and as an administration, we are keeping a watch on it closely, but of course these are natural calamities, and it's not something we can do to stop it, but we have to ensure that minimum inconvenience is caused to the people, and whatever support that is required, full support will be given